What's good, people? Welcome to Flex Finance. I am Daniel. I am here to help you guys make money and save money. Today we are talking about OPES acquisition. So first off, the symbol for OPES acquisition is really simple, OPES. It's a SPAC company. If you guys don't know what a SPAC company is, check the link in the description. I'm assuming that you guys do know what it is. It's merging with BurgerFi. BurgerFi is obviously a burger chain. It has over 120 locations nationwide, and still during the coronavirus catastrophe, it's still expanding. It has new licensing deals, and the owner seems to be really happy about going public. So these are all good signs. So I bought 12 shares at around $12.86 per share. It's currently at $19.46. That gives me a profit of almost $80. My sell target price is between 25 and 45. 25 would be on the lower end, but I think it could go higher. In terms of whether you guys should still buy shares in OPES, the target price, like I said, was $25 to $45. It's still under $20, so even if worst case scenario it's $25, that's still a $5 profit. But I'm hoping it will skyrocket a bit higher than that. It's been compared to Shake Shack and Chipotle. I would say it's a completely different company from those, but it's in a similar industry. The shares could also go up much higher, closer to the actual merger date. So if you guys get in now, you probably still get a good price and still will be able to make a good amount of profit to make this worthwhile. If you guys want to invest using Robinhood, you can invest using the link in the description. You guys can get free stock. You're helping me out. And stay subscribed to this channel, and we'll see you soon.